Hi there, and welcome to The Peaceful Home. I'm Teresa Elling. I'm a professional organizer, and I love to organize and decorate my home, especially for the holidays. If this is content you're interested in, I do organizing, decor, parenting, all things having to do with home and family. Please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified each time a video is uploaded. I'm going to be working on my dining area today. I've cleared all of my picture ledges and I'm going to just create the whole area for Christmas. I'm also going to do a quick tutorial on doing a shadow box. So I've created this one with a bunch of mementos from my grandparents. And not only is it a great way to preserve them and keep them from too much handling, it's a way that you can showcase them during the holidays. I'm going to be putting things up on this picture ledge, which is really nice because I can prop things and hang things. I'm starting with this really large Merry Christmas sign, and I'm going to begin to put things up and probably rearrange them quite a bit until I get the look that I want. I'm going to get started and we'll see what I come up with. I got this shadow box at Michael's. Make sure you buy them when they're on sale or use your 40% off coupon that is available with every purchase. So it comes with a felt backed board, and I'm just going to kind of decide the things I want. I've already decided the things that I want to put in this box, but I need to work on the arrangement. I have a letter from my grandmother to her grandmother. So that would be my great-great-grandmother. Dear Grandma Nellie, so cute and so old. I'm gonna put that here. I have a recipe in my grandma's handwriting for her persimmon cookies. And I want to put those on here. And this is a picture of my mom and her sister. And they're in front of the fireplace in the house that my grandparents built and lived in their entire lives. And just beautiful memories. I spent every other Christmas in front of this same fireplace, opening stockings. And then I have an ornament that used to hang on her tree. And this is just a prize. This Santa is from 1880, and it belonged to my great-great-grandmother. He's made of some sort of clay, and his little feet have chipped off, and his fingertips are broken off. So he's very, very delicate. And my grandma used to just kind of wedge him in the Christmas tree each year. But I feel like he needs to be preserved a little bit more and not handled so much. So I want to put him in here. The last thing are some ornaments from my great-grandma's collection. So I've got just a few of these pearlized pins, which I think will look really pretty. So I'm going to use those to attach this. And just putting that in at an angle to secure. And I'm also going to put a couple of little filler ornaments in the back here, just to make sure those don't move around quite as much. Now, of course, you could secure them. You could glue them into the bottom, do other things to make sure they don't move at all, but I didn't really think that was necessary. So I'm gonna go back and make sure Santa's feet are kind of propped in. Okay, that's much better. I actually used a needle to pin the red yarn there, so it positioned where I wanted, but you couldn't really see it. And I'm pretty happy with everything else. I feel like those filler ornaments push the antique ones to the front, and Santa's positioned pretty well, so I'm gonna call it good here. I'm ready to show you the finished product, and then I will just do some kind of close-up shots so you can see the whole thing. It will probably change because I still have the rest of my house to decorate. So if I find something that would be better utilized somewhere else, I might swap things up and change things around a little. Don't have to remove everything in your home and replace it with Christmas decor, but sometimes just taking down a painting or picture that normally hangs in your home and replacing it with a wreath or a strand of bells or a swag can just bring a little bit of a Christmas feel into your home. Consider doing a shadow box where you can place some of your significant holiday memories to be preserved and to be displayed somewhere in your home. And lastly, be aware of the enemy that wants to come with a discontentment and make you feel like your home and your family is not enough. It doesn't matter how you decorate for Christmas. Do what brings you joy, what you have the time, the energy, and the grace to do, as well as the money. Do not go into debt at Christmas time. We are constantly comparing ourselves, constantly thinking, oh, if we just had one more thing, one more item, if we just had something newer. And it really is such a trap. So work on being content and thankful. That's the beginning. If you are thankful for what you have, that breeds contentment. And that is one of the best gifts for Christmas.